Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set up form submission notifications in HubSpot. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's marketing tools and features. Once you're logged in and your dashboard loads, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see the main navigation menu there. Click on Marketing to expand that section, and then from the options that appear, click on Forms. This is where all your HubSpot forms are stored and managed, making it easy to configure how they handle submissions and notifications. Now you'll see a list of all the forms you've created. Hover your mouse over the specific form you want to configure notifications for. When you do this, an Edit button will appear. Click on Edit to open the form editor. This takes you into the detailed settings for that particular form where you can customize everything from fields to submission behavior. Once the form editor opens, direct your attention to the left side panel. You'll notice a gear icon there. Click on this gear icon to access the form's settings menu. This is where you can modify advanced options like automation, notifications, and post-submission actions. In the settings menu on the left side, click on Submission Settings. This section controls what happens after someone submits your form, including who gets notified and how those notifications are sent. It's a critical area for making sure the right people on your team are alerted when a new lead comes in. Now look for the checkbox labeled Add Users to Notify and check that box. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear. Click on the drop-down and choose the user or users you want to receive notifications whenever this form is submitted. This ensures that your sales or support team gets immediate alerts about new submissions. After selecting your notification recipients, click the Save button at the top of the screen. This locks in your changes and ensures the form will now send notifications to the people you've chosen. Give it a moment to save those settings before moving on. Next, click the Back button to return to the main Forms page. You're done configuring the form itself, but there's one more place where you can customize notifications if your form is embedded on a landing page. On the left side navigation, click on Content and then click on Landing Page. This will show you all the landing pages you've created in HubSpot. These pages often include forms, and you can control their notification settings separately if needed. Now, click on the landing page that contains the form you just edited. This opens the landing page editor where you can make adjustments to how the page and its form behave. Once the landing page editor loads, find the form element on your page and click on it. This highlights the form and opens its specific settings in the left panel. On the left side, scroll down until you find the checkbox that says Send form notifications to specified email addresses instead of the form defaults. Check this box. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear. Click on the drop-down and choose the email address or addresses you want to use for this landing page's form submissions. This gives you even more control, allowing different pages to send notifications to different team members if needed. After selecting your email addresses, click Save at the top of the screen to finalize your changes. HubSpot will now route form notifications from this landing page to the email addresses you specified. And that's it. You've successfully set up form submission notifications in HubSpot, both at the form level and the landing page level. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.